from various backgrounds under one canopy of a focused environment, yielding success and contributing in the futuristic, pretentious display of medal tally for our country, Bharat.
आज के इस अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सम्मेलन ग्रास रूट टू ग्रेटनेस टैलेंट आइडेंटिफिकेशन एंड एथलीट डेवलपमेंट के शुभारंभ मौके पर अब मैं सादर आमंत्रित करता हूं सीनियर एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर सर श्री विनीत कुमार को कि वे कृपया मंच पर आकर इस सम्मेलन के संबंध में सभी को संबोधित करें। कृपया जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत करें।
हेलो नमस्कार, गुड मॉर्निंग। श्री सरबजीत सिंह, आईएएस, स्पेशल चीफ सेक्रेटरी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पंजाब, स्पोर्ट्स एंड यूथ अफेयर्स। मैडम डॉक्टर कल्पना शर्मा, वाइस चांसलर LNIP ग्वालियर। मैडम रितु पथिक, एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर साई सोनीपत। मैडम अमर ज्योति, एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर साई कोलकाता। ऑल माय अर्जुन अवार्डीज, द्रोणाचार्य अवार्डीज, distinguished foreign experts, guests, all the officers, former scientific staff, diploma trainees, ladies and gentlemen. It's my proud privilege indeed and immense pleasure that you are all here for this international conference on talent identification and athlete development. This institute, this great institute, over 6 decades has been a cradle of scientific training to have initiated scientific training in independent India. This institute, this great institute, has produced more than 200 Arjuna awardees, Dronacharya awardees, and distinguished Olympic medalists who have trained here. There could not have been a better center, institute to hold this conference. I am really thankful and grateful to all the distinguished guests who have come here from far and wide places, internationally and from within India also. The theme, grassroots to greatness, is not just a phrase. As our Secretary Sir has just said, it's a national mission now. The budgetary allocation has been tremendously increased by 15% this year, and it is now staggering around 4,500 crores, which is by any means, it's a huge amount. The government of India will be spending for the athlete development and in turn medal winning policy for India. This is besides the efforts being made by government. If we combine the budget of the state governments also, it will be efforts being made by all the stakeholders in this sports ecosystem of India are tremendous. The only thing is, for which we have gathered here today and tomorrow, is to find ways and means how to spot that talent, how to identify the talent, There are various methods which we, all the experts, will be deliberating upon. And then comes the athlete development. There are so many issues, so many subjects on which these deliberations and discussions will be based on. For example, athlete burnout, doping, the training, foreign training of the athletes, the multiple choices which are available for the athletes, the Sports Authority of India's insight, all the talent. There are various methods we have come across. My journey in this department has been quite long, and I have seen many phases of talent identification. Right from giving freedom to the athletes or to the coaches to select the athletes and train them, to what now we are following now, the talent identification and development committees, KITD, under Khelo India. They are sending teams.
Situated in northern Indian state of Punjab, Netaji Subhash National Institute of Sports is in the city of Patiala, popularly known as NSNIS. This institute is housed in the palatial monumental building built by the erstwhile Maharaja of Patiala. NSNIS was established by the Government of India on 7th May 1961. Sporting history. World-class indoor and outdoor facilities are available for coaches and athletes to enjoy uninterrupted sessions for the entire season. India's success at Olympics makes this institute the hub of academics in field hockey. Weightlifting is a priority sport in India. 2 Olympic medals tell the success story of this institute. Boxing is the biggest crowd puller when it comes to pursuing studies. This hall gave India its first Olympic medal in boxing. The biggest day in the history of NIS came when India got its much-awaited Olympic medal in athletics, and that too a gold by Neeraj Chopra. The Golden Boy did most of his training at NIS. The NIS family never misses to celebrate such occasions together. The Premier Institute is also the academic wing of the Sports Authority of India and the brain house of Indian sports. Students from different parts of India and the world enjoy the teaching and learning atmosphere in the 268 acres campus. You have to qualify the minimum eligibility criteria to take admission in this Premier Institute. Regular diploma in sports coaching is one of the key features of this institute. Diploma in sports coaching is the flagship key features. NIS also offers MSc in sports coaching, postgraduate diploma in sports medicine, and 6-week certificate course. For the first time, Academic Wing started the much-needed diploma in sports nutrition, strength and conditioning, performance analysis, and sports psychology. Experts from top global institutes share the latest trends in their respective fields. NIS contributes a lot in development of sports sciences, recovery of athletes and their strength and conditioning. NIS takes good care of its athletes when it comes to food and nutrition, which plays a vital role in the athlete's performance. This Premier Institute produced 17 Padma Shri.
Good session. Thank you, and I wish everyone a productive conference ahead. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर। जैसा कि आप सभी को विदित है, राष्ट्र धर्म सर्वोपरि। इन्हीं पंक्तियों को साकार करते हुए
आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
जय हिंद।
Please be seated at your designated seats, please.